My name is Sarah Garner, and today we will be working with first grade students. We'll be learning about tobacco and its effects on the body and how living a tobacco-free life is a healthy lifestyle. Okay, next is the introduction activity. So I'll start this activity by asking the students, what do they know about tobacco? What does it do to you? What parts of their body does it affect? And then we'll go into an activity that every student will get a straw. And to start with, they'll all sit with a resting heart rate and breathe through their straw like this. And I'll ask the students to turn and talk to a partner and talk about, was it hard? What made it hard? Why do they think it was hard? How could it be more difficult? And then I'll have them all stand up and they'll either hop on one foot or do jumping jacks. So they'll either do this or jumping jacks for 20 to 30 seconds, and then they'll breathe through it again. And they should notice that it was harder. So I'll have them turn and talk to each other again. Why was it hard? Why would we have done this activity? And to close this activity, I'll explain that breathing through a straw after a physical activity is comparable to what a long-term smoker feels when they're breathing. So tobacco affects your lungs, it affects how much oxygen your body gets, and that is why it's important to be tobacco-free. So for the brain break between the introductory activity and the focus activity, I would have the students do 5 jumping jacks. So all together they would do 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then spin around 4 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And then hop on one foot 3 times. So 1, 2, 3, and then they'll walk. If this rug was the classroom, they'll walk all the way around the classroom twice. 1, 2, and then when they finish, they will give a partner a high five. And so it'll be 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1 exercises to move to the next activity.
Hi, my name is Sharita Senhorho, and for this lesson focus activity, I will be talking about tobacco. I will talk to the students, the first grade students, about tobacco. I ask them, what is tobacco? And I will define tobacco as a plant that can be smoked in cigarettes, pipes, or cigars. I will talk to them about the lungs and the heart. I will ask them, what do the lungs do? And I'll tell them the lungs take oxygen from the air you breathe and gets rid of carbon dioxide. And the heart pumps blood throughout the body. Now, when a person smokes tobacco, they make their heart work harder than it has to. And also for the lungs, the airways are blocked. So that makes breathing hard as well, harder to do as well. For our lesson focus, the children will be doing physical activity along with spelling. For example, for the word smoke, they will run around the playground 5 times, as the word smoke has 5 letters. So, for example, I will demonstrate for them. S, M, O, K, E. For the word tar, they will be doing hopping. 1, 2, 3. And tar is also built up on the lungs, and it's a black sticky substance, and it also hurts the lungs. So we will be going back into that as well. Also, we will do harms. Harms will do jumping for harms. HARMS. And for cancer, they will do 6 jumping jacks. CANCER. Also after that, I will ask them, how do you think the body feels when smoke is inside of it? And I will relate their activities that they were just doing where they were exerting energy. I will compare it to how hard the body has to work when those toxins and the smoke is in the system. I will also have the children blow through the straw at least 5 times. And afterwards, I would ask them, was it easy or hard to blow through the straws after our physical activity? Hi, my name is Sharita Senhoro again, and this is the closing activity. For the closing activity, I will be asking the children, how do they think the body feels when there's no smoke inside of it? For the word lungs, I will have that up there on a flashcard. And for the word lungs, I would ask them how many letters are in that word, and they would also do 5 arm circles with deep breaths. For example, lungs, L-U-N-G-S. Okay, and also for the word well, they can do 4 circles as well. W-E-L-L. I'll ask them about the word good. You know, your body feels good with no smoke in it. So they can also do shoulder rolls for the word good. G-O-O-D. That's 4 shoulder rolls. And the body works better. So for work, I would ask them how many letters in that word, and it's 4. So W-O-R-K. And that will conclude our closing activity. As you know, we decrease the heart rate from our physical activity, and they're down to the cool down, and that's all.